This is Cleanne Jenkins, your SimplyFun playologist, and today I'm going to talk to you about the newest games from SimplyFun. So first we have Glow Spotters. This is for ages 5 and above. It teaches addition and spatial reasoning. And for this game, each player has a set of Firefly boards numbered 1 through 10. So each one takes their boards and they set 2 out. And then they roll the dice based on what they get. So I got a 3. So I have to pick one of the glow tiles here that's a 3 that'll match on one of my boards. And then it goes to the next person. And then basically you're taking turns. And once you fill these 2 boards out, then they did get discarded and you have to do the rest of your boards. And the first one to get all 10 of their boards done wins the Firefly badge and wins the game. Okay, Acorn Paws is for ages 7 and above, teaches division with remainders and probability. Players select cards from their hand and then they try to receive the most acorns. So you have all these little bags that have the acorns in them, and they have all different amounts. You dump out the acorns, then players look at how many acorns they have in the middle, and they select a card that they think is going to help them get the most acorns. And so then they'll start dividing the acorns between all the paws. And then if there's leftovers like this, if there's enough to fill everyone's cards back up a second time, that's great. And if not, whoever has the squirrel gets the remainders. And then whoever has the most acorns left at the end of the game after 7 rounds, because there's 7 bags, that's who wins. Now, if somebody lays down the dog card, that means that it doesn't work and you have to do new cards, because everybody's laying these down at the same time and it's a surprise. If they do the squirrel card, that means that they get the squirrel and all the remainders. And so that's a pretty fun game. Last we have Phantom Seas. This one just barely came out, and this one is for ages 8 and above. It teaches navigation and directional awareness. Players select navigation cards, those up here, and they select one to help move their ship to one of the treasures. And basically, so you've got your compass up here at the top, and you're picking a card that'll help you move in the right direction to get to the treasure. And when you get to the treasure, then you're going to turn it over, and if it has, like this one has a 2 here, then that means the phantom ship here will move 2 spaces towards you. And if the phantom ship reaches you, then it takes your treasure. And if it doesn't, then you're fine and you collect the treasure. But some of them you will turn over. Let's see if I can find one. And it has turbulent waters. And turbulent waters means you turn the whole board. So everything that you knew where it was is not where it was to begin with. And you go through until you've gone through all of the cards. It's about 7 rounds. And the one that collects the most treasure at the end of the game is who wins. Okay, thank you.